Hey, this is Sarah, and this is my Topbox unboxing. You will hear a skittery beagle. Maybe or maybe not he will woof. That wasn't good English at all. So, this month we are under threat of postal strike, and so they apparently threw in a bonus 5th item. I'm not sure which one that is. They did not, however, put in a real card. They put in a card that apparently has the offer. So here's the thing. Why did I receive this card? This card contains all of the exclusive offers available to all Topbox members. We hope you take advantage of these sweet deals. And, so it's literally telling me about a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner that's in the bag. And where to get it. But there's not actually an offer. It's literally a card highlighting the shampoo and conditioner. So maybe this is supposed to be the card for the bonus item, and the bonus item is supposed to be the shampoo and conditioner. But the one that was hanging out outside of the actual normal, like, mesh bag. This is a mesh bag. I've already opened this because, is this lip liner, which is this. It's called Cinnamon by a company I've never heard of before, called Bella Pierre, and it's a gel lip liner, and it's number 3 Cinnamon. So it comes in a pencil style like this. Pull off the cap. The bottom twists, so I actually assumed that it was a twist up, but apparently it is a sharpen down. I did actually try to apply it to my lips, and the top just broke off. I don't know. So it's on my hand, and I had a swatch of a lipstick on here, and so I actually, this is after I tried to clean it off with a makeup wipe from Kirkland, and I'm quite fond of those, but they tend to take off everything except waterproof stuff, so I guess... Socks, are you just eating a chewy stick? I'm gonna hope that's a chewy stick. Please don't be eating my stuff. So yeah. So it's a really pretty color. The consistency is pretty nice, not overly waxy. Just sort of about the same consistency as like a really matte lipstick. But not too drying. Very similar in texture to like my NARS Matte Velvet lip pencils. Okay, and then... So yeah, there's no card, so I can't tell you any prices for any of these. Then there is a sample size of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which I've been wanting to try for a while. It came in a box like this, and it claims to provide 1,944% more volume, with an exclamation point in all caps. It is 100% dramatic volume, 100% longer lashes, 90% a dramatic look with one coat. So I'm not doing makeup today, but I'll show you the brush if you're not familiar. Packaging just looks like this. It's sort of a matte style tube. My dog is trying to move my entire bed because he's weird. Brush looks like this, and it's like a proper bristly brush. The brush at least looks very similar to the brush on my Lancome Hypnose mascara that I love. So, and a lot of people like this formula. So I'll give it a try. I feel like it should be the kind of formula that I'm into. And then there is this Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. I know nothing about this whatsoever. I don't think. I think I've tried this. I don't know. It's really weird if the full-size packaging looks anything like this. There's something about this that feels like, are you a teenager? You should start using eye cream. It's got that sort of rounded, so I guess you must have to just go straight in and maybe you massage this in. I don't have anything on my face right now. Well, you just... I would not like to do that. I would probably still go in with my finger. Sort of ease that around. Dogs, don't do that. I mean, once you ease on the initial amount, no, because you know what, that just doesn't really do anything. That would leave a lot of excess product, and that would really bother me. Hey! Either fight her to the death for it, or shush. Because you weren't eating it. I have to kill one of them. There's going to be a wolf in a second. He's very well timed on them. So that looks okay. Don't wolf. I'm gonna put you back on the bed. Don't my eye cream. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at his buddy. No. This dog spends so much of his life trying to kill himself. I'm gonna do this really quick before he goes nuts again. Then I have a Bare Minerals Marvelous Moxie lipstick in Get Ready. I've had one of these before. In fact, I think exactly the same color. And I wound up giving it to my mom. I usually have her try on these sort of like pinky nude shades. Because she has the kind of complexion that like turns... She has enough yellow undertone in her complexion that a lot of lipsticks go orange on her, which is very strange. A lot of things just sort of wind up looking orange on her. I don't think I even tried this last time. I remember... Oh no, I did try this last one. I remember liking it so much that I was thinking about picking up a few more colors. No, it's nice. It's nice. Just a little bit of a shine, nothing too crazy. Feels really good. It's weird. It's this like sort of candy scent. Sort of like buttercream. It's or fondant. Yeah, fondant. It has that kind of like... There's something in here that's very sugary. Doesn't really taste anything. I don't know. I like it. I like the color anyway. Take the eye cream out of the box and then thing in the... Oh, God. Well, we're going to go crazy on time. And then the last two things in the bag are the shampoo and conditioner from the... Hey, this is where you can get the shampoo and conditioner card. And it's by... it's just called North American Hemp Co. And it's the Soak It Up Moisturizing Shampoo and the Soak It Up Moisturizing Conditioner. The conditioner feels very heavyweight. Like it literally feels heavy in the tube. I do not know how much this would be. Because that's the one thing it doesn't say on the card. It smells really lovely. It's really good because I've been doing a bit of heat styling on my hair this week, and I could really use something very moisturizing. So I can do a little bit of recover work. This is also the perfect size for like a travel shampoo and conditioner. Buddy, do not dare. Buddy, I will eat you. just smells really nice and clean. So I'm really excited to... Okay, no, that's a lie. I'm not really excited to give this a try. I mean, it seems nice, but the fact that you can't even tell me how much it is. So even if I like it, I know where to get it. Where can I even get it? I can get it at Loblaws, but I've never... Hey! No shouting! No shouting. No stealing rags. Well.ca, Whole Foods, which we don't have in Nova Scotia from what I can tell, and it just says Loblaws, but I've never seen this brand in anybody around here owned by Loblaws, or NorthAmericanHempCo.com. So, the one thing I do like is it looks like it comes in, if not the liter size, at least the larger shampoo size, but I do appreciate when conditioners come with a pump. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I am going to have to go and beat my dogs vigorously. They both looked at me and then looked because they can hear that, yeah, they can hear. They can hear the phone ringing and they find it distressing. This is why I'm going to beat you vigorously. Come here, you. Come here. Come here so I can beat you vigorously. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. They're not afraid of me. They're not afraid of me at all. They're clearly winning. Anyway, thank you so much. But hey, what did I just say about They're gonna start up. I will talk to you guys soon.